If you've ever wanted to add a clickable link inside LibreOffice Calc, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to hyperlink in LibreOffice Calc step by step so you can turn any cell into a clickable link in just a few seconds. This is super useful if you're building spreadsheets with websites, references, resources, contact links, or anything you want to open with one click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. This will open a new spreadsheet where you can work with your data. If you already have a spreadsheet open, that works too. The goal here is just to get into LibreOffice Calc so we can add the hyperlink in the exact cell you want. Now click on the cell where you want the hyperlink to appear. This part matters because the link will be inserted into the selected cell. You can choose any empty cell or even replace text in a cell you already use. If you want the hyperlink to stand out, you may want to choose a cell that's easy to find later. After selecting the cell, go to the top menu and click Insert. This is where LibreOffice keeps different objects and tools you can add into your spreadsheet. From the Insert menu, click Hyperlink. That opens the hyperlink window where you can define exactly what link you want to place into the cell. Inside the hyperlink window, look for the address field and type or paste the URL you want to use. This can be a website link, a resource page, or any valid web address. Make sure the URL is accurate, because if there's a typo, the hyperlink won't take you to the right page. Take a second to double check it before moving on. Next, if you want the text displayed in the cell to look different from the full web address, enter your display text in the appropriate field. This is helpful if you want the spreadsheet to look cleaner and more professional. For example, instead of showing a long website link, you can display something simple like visit website, open resource, or learn more. The clickable link will still point to the correct URL behind the scenes. Once everything looks good, click Apply. This saves the hyperlink into the selected cell. After that, click Close to exit the hyperlink window. At this point, your cell should now contain a clickable hyperlink that opens the URL when selected or clicked, depending on your system and LibreOffice settings. If you want to test it, just click the cell and make sure the link behaves the way you expect. If it opens the right web page, you're all set. If not, you can always repeat the steps and correct the address or display text. That's one of the best parts of working in LibreOffice Calc. It's easy to edit and adjust your spreadsheet whenever you need to. And that's how to insert a hyperlink in LibreOffice Calc. It's a simple process, but it can make your spreadsheets much more useful and organized. Whether you're creating a list of references, a project tracker, a resource sheet, or a personal database, hyperlinks can save time and make navigation much easier. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.